discuss is especially regarding the GHADC elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the State Committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today, the state committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, CEM constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Momen. To Wagesuk, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jebul S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengcham N. Sangma. 6. Barengapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson C.H. Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13. Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Grahambel A. Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Momen. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26. Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28. Darubri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Sigbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest, only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. There are 29 constituencies will be contesting from all the 29 constituencies. Not counted, there are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around 7 is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad K. Sama, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing CEM constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision, because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket. But we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. There are 5 constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates. Those are Raksamgri, Naguapara, Boldamgri, Silkhigri, Rongrakhamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting.